There we go. Can everyone hear me? Test. Let's see here. There we go. Can everyone hear me? Test. Let's see here. Yep. Alrighty. Looks like you guys can hear me. Perfect. Awesome, everyone. So my name is Kyle. I'm your co-founder of Slapstocks here. I'm one of your analysts, and we're just going to be doing a weekly Sunday stock talk where we go over some stocks that you guys want to go over. I give you guys my analysis on what I see. Just keep in mind, this is my first time viewing the markets with you guys as well. So this is my first time doing my whole charting and everything for the week as well. So you guys are doing it with me. There's no planning for any of this. So let's see here what we got. So we got futures were currently open. We did gap up nice. Let's see here. What did we gap up at? We gapped up 24 points, which is a nice jump. So if we were to correlate this on SPY, we are basically opening up around, I'd say like 334, like right here. Yeah. This is about the range we're gonna open up at tomorrow if we were to stay here. If we were to stay in exactly this area, this is where we're gonna open up in this range. So with that being said, that means that okay, so these levels here, these major yellow lines, these are some major levels that I have here from last year. Like so this line right here means pre-COVID all-time highs, so this is right before the crash happened. And then this is a gap as well right before that crash. So if we were to go back to the crash, how far back do I need to go? Yeah, right here. So if we were to go back to the crash right here, we can see that this gap right here that we're currently in, we just broke up above it. So now we're sitting into this range right here. If we can get back above our pre-COVID all-time highs right here, we should be able to continue to make a run up into this range again. So let's look for a run up to maybe 339 for this week, most likely. I can definitely see that happening, which would be, let's see here, 339, 334. Yeah, so somewhere here. We'd have to look for futures to be in this range here in order for us to get back into here. But with the way we gapped up, I do see that very plausible, and I can see it happening. But yeah, there's my analysis on SPY for right now. Let's see here. Yeah, we're currently kind of just dropping. There's little volume. We're in an uptrend here. I did take a position at this level. It did go up, but then it kind of came back down, so I kind of didn't take profits here, so I'm just holding right now. We're just waiting for this. Hopefully the trend continues upwards. I'm looking for this 335775 level here. If we can break this level, we should look for up here again of 3364. So around here. This is what we're looking at on SPY. But yeah, that's what I have for you guys. So now what I want you guys to do is just continue to write some stock symbols you guys want me to look at, and I'll look at them for you guys. Where's the slow jams at? Let me see if I can do that real quick. Hold on. Let me see if I can try and keep the slow jam on. Can you guys still hear me okay? You want it with the slow jam still on and me talking, or would you rather prefer them off? No music? Yeah, kind of figured. Kind of figured. But yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, cool, I figured. So let's see here what we got. We got Netflix, we got Nvidia, AMD, GS, ARMS. Nvidia buys ARMS. I did see that. Let's see here. What else? ORCL, Goldman Sachs. Okay, cool. So I see a lot of I see Nvidia to start, so we're gonna go with Nvidia first. So let's see. Hey, we're at break even now. Perfect. Okay, so Nvidia did fall quite a bit here. 520. This was in 2 days, so Thursday, Friday. We are in a range here. You see this? We're kind of stuck here. Let me see what else can I find. 4 hour, it did get a rejection here. Let's see here. Just kind of keep that in mind. Possible. Just possible ideas that I'm seeing pop that could have outcomes. I'm just looking at what I like most. That one. Nah. Did fall below my alert levels that I did have triggered there. Honestly, what I'd like to see first is Nvidia above 500. Because you see this right here. This shows that there's consolidation going on in this area right here, which means that it could have trouble going back above 500. So what I'd like to see first is a move above 500 to try and go for the break upwards, upward of 510. And then from 510, we can try and go to 520. That would be nice to hit up here. That'd be a nice high. But let's see. What else? Let's check the 1 day. Yeah, so we can say anything above 488, look for 490. After 490, start looking for the push upward of 500. After 500, like I said, we'll watch for the 500 range. Like I'm gonna wait for this 500 to hit, in my opinion. Hey, there we go. And just because I saw that consolidation happening right there, and if we look here, this is kind of like a point of control, just as it keeps on going through here, up and down, up and down. So I'm look for the push upwards through 500, going for 510, 512. And then let's see here. Maybe there's something else I can do. Actually, nah, there's not really anything there. But yeah, there's your levels for Nvidia. Let's see what else. Do AMD, Goldman Sachs. I'll do Goldman Sachs. So it did drop right there in the after hours. I don't know about that. I do see. Okay, so we do see that we are clearly at a support level here. So we know if we break through this support of, what would that be? 199.70, we'll say, for safe reasons. We'll say 199.70. We can say 199 flat to be completely safe. Break through those levels, we can look for 196.18 here, this level of support. And if we can break that level of support, we'll look for 188. But if we catch that momentum to go upwards, let's see here. Look at that. Look at that. A little bit higher, like right there. Yeah, so we are sitting at another fib level here. It's not. This isn't a big level. I'm looking for this 0.618. You see here as well the consolidation that goes on. That makes sense here. So, yeah, I'd say for Goldman Sachs, if you're looking for the upside, wait for this 204.34 to hold, which is your GP zone. So if we can get here and start holding this level, let's look for that push upwards to these highs of 210. So above 204.30, 204.50, let's look for 213 to 212 max. If you're trying to play for a short-term gain, you can say above this, yeah, 204.44 level. Look for like 212 to 208. 208 most likely on the safe side. Look at that. Look at that. I should have bought more. It's okay. But yeah, that's what I have for you for Goldman Sachs. Let's see, what else do we got? I'll do Apple next. No, I can't get rid of that one. ESC20. Now we are up 75 points, boys. What we do now is we set a stop loss. Right there at support, and we'll just slowly start moving this up a bit. So that will be ready to take profits whenever it hits. And there you go. It's a quick little move there. See, we're waiting for that break there. Once we get that break, we're gonna go up, hopefully. But yeah. Okay, so I did your Goldman Sachs. Keep writing ticker symbols, guys, so we don't run out. I mean, all I have here is Apple and Lulu next, really. Apple for all my leapers. I tried telling you guys. Just kidding. But yeah. So we reached a high here. We came crashing down hard, and yeah, we hit this nice support level here of 109.80, which I'd like to see here because that means that there's a nice sign. And you can see this clear double bounce here that we had to with these two candles. So we did catch this support level twice, 3 times, if you would say here as well. But it's still in downtrend sentiment. So if we get below this 109.06 level, look for 102. If we can get above 115.25, let's start looking for 118 and 119. And then we'll be good. But yeah. Let's see here. Lulu. Same thing, massive run up for the crash. Except this one did break through support here and it continued to go down. Look for the continuation to 303.50 for support, and if it can't catch support at 303.50,
stop filled.
There it is. That works. Okay. So yeah. Like I was saying, look for the flush here to 303.50. If 303.50 doesn't happen, then we may stay in this range here, but if we do stay in this range, I would be careful of making plays here. Wait for the break above 318.56, 319 for 324 to 330 for the upside. And then let's see here. I'm gonna place this one here real quick.
Order filled.
Okay. But yeah. Yeah, so watch for those levels like I mentioned for Lulu. because that is your major level for this, like that is your major zone for right now is here. And then your next major zone would be here as soon as it breaks upwards, so just kind of be on the lookout for that.
And can you show how to set profit target?
Yeah, basically what you're doing when you want to set your profit target is you just play your supports. Everything just comes down to playing supports. You play your supports and resistance. So right now, if we break up here, I would sell here because that's our resistance right here. That's the move I'm looking for. If we can break above our resistance level here, I'll be looking for up here. I'm moving this up a bit. Modify. There we go. But yeah, so that's what you want to do when you're looking for stuff. Let's look for your next resistance levels. Let's see here. What else I'll do? I'll do BA. I can't get rid of that one. Okay, so we do see a nice support forming right here at this level. And we do see it over here as well. This could have a nice bounce up back to this range here. Just because it has hit here before it, and it's clear that it doesn't want to break. But it still is in this mini downtrend here. Look for it to kind of flag upwards, I'd say. For like a bullish flag, so it pops upward like that. Yeah, so I look for a pop up above like this 160, 150, I'd say to be safe. Look for a pop up above that for 164. After 164, start looking for these levels here as we'll start filling the gap upwards to 169. And if we fail to do that, look for the break below into this channel again for the break out of this range. So we'll say like 154 flat just to be safe. Anything below one, there's the pump up. Anything below 154, start looking for $153 to 150, but I really don't see that happening too much, honestly. I see this going more upwards and down. But that's just my opinion from what I see right now. So notice here how we got up to the resistance and we stopped out there. That would have been a place for me to take profits, but I'm holding here because I do want this bigger move. We're not modifying it, I'm just keeping it there. But yeah, that's what you want to look for. And here, let's see. We got MU. I'll show you guys MU again. Yeah. So we did break up above the resistance line here. What we should find now is we should find a nice little bounce to happen at previous resistance to form new support. So then we'll go from something like that to, let's see here. Something like that. So we'll be going downwards. We'll hit support. We'll probably retest resistance, go back down a little bit, and then start shooting upwards into this motion. Yep, there we go. just like that. You get a pattern similar to this here that you're seeing, but like these are just kind of ghosts. But this is something that you should see happen. This is just kind of a rough drawing of what would possibly happen. But yeah, look for that. Look at that. Now we're up 87. What do we do now? We raise our stop. Guaranteed profits now. Up 100. Raise it. I'm gonna lower it down just one. I'm cool with that. I don't want to get stopped out right away. Yeah, see? Now we have that. Now I'm looking for this push upwards through this level, if we can get that nice push up, which will then lead us to filling this gap here to 3357 for a nice 7-point move, so a 35 tick move. For around $400.
But yeah, so let's see. Let's keep going. What else do we got?
I'll do Docu next.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. Order executed. We're up 112 on the night. Just within this live session. Alrighty, Docu. Yep, massive earnings run up for the crash to occur. Yep, bam, died. Caught consolidation here. Didn't want to break this 215, 216 level. Went back down 197. If it gets this flush here, I'm gonna just wait until the market becomes likely. Or I'll be patient and we'll wait for the bounce to occur. Yeah. Okay. So let's hear. So we did say so. Okay. Above 208 for DocuSign, look for 210 to 216. If we can break this major resistance here, we'll look for 225 and then start filling the gap upwards. But don't look to be filling this immediately. That's going to take some time to do. If we drop below 189.30, that's a major support. That's a major support here. So if we drop below this 129.30 or 190 level here, look for 187 to 185. After 185, look for 169. After 169, look for 163. But again, these are steep levels to occur. So if this happens, just be ready for your puts. Did I do Tesla yet? No. I'm gonna cancel that. I don't need to overtrade. You guys saw me make over $100 just now, so I'm cool with that. We're in a consolidation period right here. Here's a zone that we're in. If it helps, I'll draw boxes. It's like this is your zone that you're in. $20 zone right now. If we can break above this, that'd be nice. But if you see here, we do have the support. So we do break below this 360 level here. Be on the lookout for 350 to 347. And if that happens, then yeah, we're going to flush down to 320 again. But if we do make this push back upwards above 378, start looking for 388 to 390. We can break above this 389, 390 level here. Start looking for the 400s again. But yeah, that's what we have here for Tesla. So let's see. I mean, you guys don't seem to have any other questions, so I think I'll wrap it up for today's Sunday Stock Talk. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope watching me trade a little bit live helped you guys out a bit, figure out how your entries work and whatnot, because you saw me do that on the left side there. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this, please leave a like and thumbs up. Tune in next Sunday, and get ready to have a great weekend, everyone. I'll see you on Monday.